Hello there once again, first partner. Congratulations in passing our step 1, the company and branding profile. Now, to proceed with our first real estate program, let's take a closer look at our sub-brands, highlighting the basic details of our projects from the complete houses we offer, the conceptive amenities, connected locations to life essentials, as well as the convenient living throughout our communities. With these forces, these sub-brands will surely redefine modern living. We have First Sites, First Park Homes, First Impressions, First Editions, and the First Centrale. Let's start with the First Sites. Focus on the market segment na socialized housing to low economic housing. We have here First Sites in Laguna, First Sites Bae, and First Sites Kalawan. For First Sites brand, we are offering Alora series. Good news dito, sold out na ang Alora series. Then, we still have inventories of the Amani series, kaya marami pa tayong mga buyers na magkakaroon ng opportunity to have their complete dream home in just 1.6 million peso property. With 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, we have a floor area of Amani series here at 36 square meters. These mid ones or the inner units have 40 square meters of a lot area, and the end ones we have typical lot size of 55 square meters. Comes with gate and perimeter fence. Also comes with these clubhouse amenity features. For the Alora Multipurpose Hall, we also have the Amani Multipurpose Hall. Aside from those central amenity park features, we also have the activity nodes. Meaning here in First, we offer 2 amenity features. The central amenity park as well as the activity nodes or pocket amenities located in different areas of the projects. To proceed, let's proceed with the First Park Homes brand. Alam ko, ito yung mas kilala nating lahat dahil we launched First Park Homes since 2017. The first ever project launched by this brand is in Tansa, Cavite. Now, we have 19 projects launched in just 8 years' time. Again, this is just for the First Park Homes. Meron pa tayong ibang sub-brands. We've mentioned about the First Sites. It's different or another sub-brand here sa First Park Homes. Para lahat tayo ay same terms ang gagamitin kapag pinag-uusapan yung project ninyo. For example, you are focusing in Magalang, Pampanga. Yes, that's the First Park Homes Magalang. If you are focusing in Naik, Cavite, that's the First Park Homes brand in Naik, Cavite. While if you are focusing or will have a buyer that will purchase a project in Kalawan, Laguna, or Bae, Laguna, we are talking about the sub-brand First Sites. So, First Sites is different from the First Park Homes and the other sub-brands. With these 19 projects, we also offer our clubhouse amenity features. We have the clubhouse with karaoke rooms and events area. We also have beside it a basketball court, a swimming pool with water play area. Pinakamaganda pa dyan, we offer exclusive to our homeowners the outdoor cinema. Imagine being part of an affordable development. Meron tayong exclusive outdoor cinema. Isama pa natin ang activity nodes. These are pocket amenities located in different areas with different concepts per project. Kaya tayo conceptive. For example, in Laguna, we offer their activity nodes with a fitness lifestyle. For Batangas, we offer outdoor Filipino games naman. In Bulacan, sa North, we offer artist outdoor studio and life-size board games naman na concepts. With those concepts, don't forget to present also with your buyers yung benefits of having those beautiful concepts and features. Finally, speaking of beautiful, we offer here beautiful houses, the Calista and Una of First Park Homes. Literally in Greek, Kalista means beautiful. These are beautifully complete homes na kalista or cluster townhouses, una or single attached unit. For Kalista, we have 40 square meters of a floor area. Then the lot area, for those mid or inner units, we have a typical lot size of 44 square meters. For the end ones, or Calista end, we offer a typical lot size of 60.5 square meters. With 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, comes with a gate, a fence, a compact carport yung sa garage. On the other hand, we have the Una. Una is a single attached unit. Why single attached? Because the unit is attached in a firewall. So, single attached. Kapag nasa middle ng lot yung unit, ang tawag doon ay single detached. That's right. We offer an Una unit with 54 square meters floor area and a typical lot size of 88 square meters. Kapag si buyer gusto niya magkaroon ng larger space sa garden or garage area, you may offer Una. Just check first in our inventories if we still have available Una units or baka kailangan muna nating ubusin lahat ng kalista before we proceed to a phase or a batch with unavailable Una. Remember, these are the First Park Homes units to offer, Calista and Una. Also, buyers may opt to combine their units. Kailangan lang nila, syempre, mag-purchase ng 2 units, then i-combine nila. Ang kailangan mo ring sabihin sa buyer na kapag po kayo ay magkakaroon po kayo ng combined checklists. Sa checklist na yon, merong 6 allowable modifications na si first mismo ang magko-combine or mag-modify ng units ng buyer here para less costly. So, si buyer will tick mark kung ano yung kanyang gustong i-modify na i-deliver natin sa kanya o ito-turn over natin sa kanya. For example, kung gusto niya yung garage, ma-combine yung dalawang garage ng units, we may remove yung perimeter fence. Kung gusto ng buyer, magkaroon ng doorway opening to connect the first floor, pwedeng sa first floor lang, pwedeng sa second floor meron, or pwedeng both. Kapag naman gusto ng buyer na i-combine yung 2 bedrooms, gagawin isang malaking master bedroom, yung sa second floor ng isang unit, kasama yon sa mga options sa checklist. Just share with your buyer na kapag nag-check po kayo ng modification, each check will have at least 5,000 pesos na additional fee. Very much affordable yan than sila mismo ang mag-modify ng units nila after mag-move in. So with that, remember, we are offering Calista units. Then, per buyer's discretion, if they will request to pair those units. So, long as combinable, yung lot ng dalawang units ay same elevation. That's the Calista pair. Also, we have house expansion provision. Again, what we offer, our standard units ng Calista, we have Calista Mid at Calista End. If buyers will decide to expand their units add additional floor area. Halimbawa, ang buyer mo ay newlyweds, tapos nagkaroon sila ng kids, gusto na nilang magkaroon ng added bedroom. So buyers may expand their unit with their own cost and own contractor. Ang ating timeline for them to expand their unit, tandaan, upon turnover. So buyers may modify and may expand their unit upon turnover, and that must be approved by the HOA and our technical team. So all modifications may happen upon buyers move in or turnover so long as approved yung design at yung materials based from our deed of restrictions. Si buyer mag-a-add ng 20,000 pesos na construction bond if they will to modify yung units nila. That's refundable naman. 1,000 pesos kapag si buyer ay 1,000 pesos for processing fee. That's non-refundable. With those, what we offer sa First Park Homes, we have the First Park Homes Lipa. And aside from the Calista and Una of First Park Homes Lipa, inside we have the Cove, which offers a Mani and Dua. So sa project ng First Park Homes Lipa, we may offer a Mani and Dua part of the Cove. A Mani, again, it's a townhouse, same with the first sites. While the Dua, it's a counterpart of Una, with 48 square meters of floor area and 70 square meters typical lot size of a Dua. Punta naman tayo sa Visayas. We have launched our very first ever project outside Luzon, the First Park Homes Bacolod. Offers a Mani and Dua as well. Then our project in Mindanao, that's the First Park Homes Jensen. Launch project yan. So, marami pa tayong aabangan. At ang isa sa mga kaabang-abang din ay ang townhouse, ay ang mixed-use development natin or the township project First Centrale. We have First Centrale in the south, that's in Batulao, Nasugbu, Batangas, while in the north, we have the Hermosa, Bataan. Kapag sinabi nating brand na Centrale, inside, meron tayong residential or the dwell, create for the commercial lot, while Thrive for the retail shops. So all those features will be found inside a community, inside a project Centrale. Let's proceed with the Century First Centrale Batulao. We have here First Park Homes, First Editions, and First Impressions sa Centrale Batulao. We are extending the popular destinations of Tagaytay. Yung conveniences sa Tagaytay, magkakaroon din tayo niyan here sa Centrale Batulao. Unahan ka na kayo. We'll be having an iconic chapel sa loob mismo ng Centrale Batulao. And that's located at the Gate 1, kung saan yung ating First Editions Batulao Volume 1. While sa Gate 2 naman, nandoon ang First Park Homes Batulao and First Impressions. For the Gate 3, we have the First Editions Batulao Volume 2. With the Centrale Batulao, we offer here First Park Homes, Impressions, and Editions. Simulan natin sa First Park Homes Batulao, launch in 2020. Onset ng pandemic 2020, si First naglo-launch ng project. 2 years later, already sold out na ang First Park Homes Batulao. While, to correct this term, meron na tayong una na ino-offer sa First Park Homes Batulao. So baka kasi hanapin ninyo yung una doon, ang pangalan niyan ay Heidelin Model Unit. In honor of our first Olympic gold medalist, Miss Heidelin Diaz. Again, First Park Homes Batulao offers Calista and Heidelin units. Kasi nandun si Miss Heidelin Diaz sa ating project. Kapit-bahay niya o ka-first bahay niya, ang brand ambassador natin, hindi ako yun, si Robby Domingo. Dagdag na rin natin, we have First Impressions Batulao. Anong difference ng impressions with the Park Homes brand? Though they have the same target market, Calista ang pwede mong i-offer here sa First Impressions Batulao. While sa Park Homes brand, merong Una or Heidelin unit. Okay? Yun yung basic na difference ng dalawa pero same market segment. Higher market segment and an upscale development will now proceed with the first editions. For Batulao, we have volumes 1 and 2 and later meron pa tayong addition to our list ng editions. First editions Batulao, yung volume 1, we offer Cartland, Charles, Christy, and Corinne. Cartland is a single attached unit counterpart ng Una with 54 square meters na floor area and a typical lot size of 88 square meters na lot area. If your buyer is looking for a larger unit than that, we have the Charles unit at 70 square meters of a floor area. Kanina sa First Park Homes Batulao, we have there Miss Heidelin Diaz. Dito naman, sa First Editions Batulao Volume 1, we're going to have our double Olympic gold medalist, Mr. Carlos Yulo. Siya ay magkakaroon ng Charles unit sa Editions Volume 1. And as valuable as gold ang ating mga residents at houses here sa Editions Batulao. And another unit here, Editions, we have Christy with 90 square meters of a floor area and a typical lot area of 110 square meters. This is also a single attached unit. Comes with a toilet and bath. That's the Christy. And finally, kung ako, buyer, magpe-purchase ng Corinne unit, perfect yan, lalo na sa Batulao area. Kasi in my balcony, I'll feel the cold breeze of the Tagaytay and Batulao weather. So yes, Corinne, that's a single detached unit, comes with a balcony. Ganda yan. Complete na, very much spacious pa. Dagdag na rin natin sa list of our editions, the Volume 2 West, located sa Gate 3 ng Centrale, Batulao. We have Cartland and Charles. Ito naman yung mga pwedeng offer sa Volume 2 West. Aside from the Volume 2 West, beside it, we have the First Editions Batulao Volume 2 East. Offers lot-only properties. Buyers may decide kung sila ay mag-purchase ng lot-only, then they'll construct their own units there, or they purchase a lot with a unit katulad ng Charles and more. Katulad ng Charles unit there. That's the First Batulao Volume 2 East. We're done with the Century First Centrale Batulao. Punta naman tayo sa North. We have the First Centrale Hermosa. Another township project of First along Roman Superhighway with 43-hectare development. That's the Centrale Hermosa. We offer here first impressions. Again, kapag first impressions, you may offer Calista or townhouses. After we've completed all the Calista units in Hermosa, will open yung isang part ng project natin, ang editions. First offers complete homes. Kapag sinabing kompleto, walang kulang, or fully finished. About this one, if you will to offer this unit sa buyer mo na same price, 2 million pesos average, kailangan pa niyang mag-add ng cost para lang maging fully finished yung unit. Kailangan pang magkaroon ng added months or even a year para lang makompleto yung unit na to. Hindi convenient, di ba? While with first, we offer complete houses and convenience, fully finished ang ating i-deliver at i-turn over sa lahat ng buyers natin. When we say fully finished, all these features will already be available upon buyers move in. Plus, with those benefits na perfect for Filipino families. Gusto natin, very assured tayo dapat na durable at stable yung mga properties we purchase, di ba? So, part of answering the best need to have a stable home, a durable one, we have the structure methodology, load-bearing walls. Hindi tayo gumagamit ng hollow blocks sa mga units natin. Kapag kasi made of hollow blocks ang isang bahay o isang property, yung four corners lang ang foundation ng units. While here, with the load-bearing wall modern technology, yung four corners foundation na yun expanded into the four sides of the walls mismo ng property. So all those sides are pure cement material, hindi hollow o made of hollow blocks. Kapag pure cement, in other Tagalog terms, we have biga o buhos. Kasi pure cement material yon. So, very durable and stable. If buyers will install frames o mga added furniture sa mga walls, they have to use barena o hand drill na sharp yung drill bit para makapag-install ng furniture sa walls. And me as a buyer, of course, I have to understand well kung ano ba yung load-bearing wall, ano ba yung difference niyan kapag made of hollow blocks ang isang bahay. Dahil tayo ay visual, dahil tayo ay more visual learners, explain mo sa buyer na sa first park homes, first sights, first impressions po na branch ng first, ang specific type ng load-bearing wall that we use ay precast. P-R-E-C-A-S-T. O sa ibang spellings, P-R-E-C-A-S-T. Precast. Ibig sabihin, bago i-construct yung bahay, casted o buo na yung walls. So, meron tayong precast area doon sa projects natin kung saan doon mismo binubuo yung mga precast panels. After mabuo yung wall, yung isang side na to, dadalhin sa lot ng buyer, then will be installed sa ibang mga walls. That's the term precast. Again, load-bearing wall pa rin ang precast, one of the specifications lang ng load-bearing wall. Kasi generic yung term na yon, specific material, precast. While for the first editions, we use load-bearing walls pa din, but different specifics. We call it CIP or cast in place. Yung semento in English ay cast, sa mismong lot ini-install o binubuo. Kaya siya cast in the place mismo nung unit sa may lote ng buyer mismo. So, meron mold yon na 4 na walls, bubuhusan ng pure cement, then i-cure. Pag naging durable na yung unit, that's the term cast in place. Cast in place and precast are both under the load-bearing wall technology. Okay? To add, we have our fully finished units flooring made of vinyl planks. Sa additions, ceramic tiles. Bakit? Yun yung ating installed features para easily to maintain and water resistant. Para save ang mga buyers, pag aakit sa second floor, meron tayong stairs with railings already. Sa second floor, we already installed our walls or divisions made of painted drywall. So, yung mga divisions in between the bedrooms, those are painted drywall. Or, in other terms, fiber cement board. May nababasa ako na naiisip mo, ano ba yung Hardiflex? Hardiflex is the brand while yung material mismo ay cement board. So, mas madaling ma-install ng buyer o ma-modify yung second floor dahil painted drywall yung mga walls we've installed. Plus, it's fire resistant. Those are the features of our units in all the brands, very much affordable prices, but with these beautiful features, with the benefits tailored fit for the Filipino family's need. Perfect ang first, maging first home owned by our Filipino families. That's first for you. Maganda pa dyan, kapag first centrale, we may offer first fairgrounds. This one is the commercial lot properties na po pwedeng purchase ng isang Filipino at pwede siyang mag-install doon ng restaurants or services for commercial purposes. Finally, our sales pavilions, yung side offices natin will be transformed into the first boroughs or retail shops. Sa lahat ng projects natin at different sub-brands, yung current sales pavilion that will be transformed into a retail shops. And eventually, along the entrance of all the project sites, magkakaroon tayo doon ng mga commercial units. So, here in First Centrale, those will be called First Boroughs. If you would like to review your notes and save presentation materials, kapag meron kang mga for tripping, i-review mo kung ano yung details ng projects, you can get our presentation materials, e-flyers, and even our accreditation process requirements here sa QR codes. And you may also check with your directors or sales leaders the Google Drive link for you to easily save these presentation materials. After this video, you'll be answering another pop quiz. I know you'll easily pass that questionnaire. Bukod sa nakapag-take notes ka kanina, na-absorb mo lahat ng details kasi ikaw din, part from your networks and prospects, can be our home owner. With that, you're halfway through in being a successful sales partner, a future homeowner as well, and you'll very, very soon create your own milestones here in the home of 21st.